Set your machine on 3 or 4 because I'll be using a woolen fabric. Dial is set on A. Thread length maximum 4, width maximum 4. This is your first type of embroidery stitch. It looks slightly like a regular stitch, but it is different. How it is different? When you look under this, over and under this stitch, you can see the difference, that how different it looks. Now the second is the same stitch, but here on the stitch length you get, if you change the length, stitch length anywhere between this SS to 5 or 4, the design would change dramatically or drastically or slightly, depending on how much you change the length of the stitch. Now you can see that this machine is moving very slowest and slower, whatever you call it. But don't panic, because if the stitch is overlooped, or it is one stitch is going over the other stitch, like in an embroidery stitch, then this machine would go slow, and it is quite a noisy machine when it does embroidery for you. So it will go slow. I'm showing you the original speed while it does a loop kind of a chain stitch. So this is your, when you use zari thread or silk thread, it will look very beautiful. See, it is very, you cannot rip off this seam, this stitch easily.